Hello! After you have tried all the cleaning product in the market, Woolite, Nature Miracle, Resolve, Febreze, and your beautiful Oriental rug still smell, Mrs. Bernstein called me after she tried everything in the market to eliminate the dog urine odor. And she realized that it still smells. It's mean or the dog continue peeing or the cleaning product didn't remove the urine odor completely. She even called to a local yellow truck, Stanley steamer, and they asked them if they can come over and shampoo the carpet. They came to the house, they shampooed the carpet for 3-4 days, it smelled good, and then the urine odor come back again. So now you're standing above the rug, you look at this beautiful, more than $25,000 Oriental rug, one of a kind, that you purchased it probably when you've been in Turkey or in India or in Pakistan. And now you have to make a decision. Take the rug, throw it away, or clean it. Clean it the right way. Clean it with a company that specializes to remove the urine odor, to eliminate the urine odor naturally, without all the deodorize, enzyme, 7-step cleaning process. None. My name is Mayor Martin. I invented a cleaning process that's clean your Oriental rug through. All the cleaner from the Dead Sea that is on the top of the rug will go through the rug, flush all the urine crystal down, and send it to the sewage. This is how I got 5-star reviews on Google. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.